So I thought I'd do just a quick 1 week update. Well, it's about a week and a half since I did the other procedures on my face. I did my glabella, and then I done the boom threads here, and I done the Juve Eyes on my eyes. Can't see my eyes. So the balls that were all kind of puffed up at injection stayed there for like 3 days maybe, and now they're completely gone. I can't actually tell if there's any improvement, because I think it looks good now, but I don't know if it looked like that before. I don't know. I've not actually wore concealer or anything to see if it goes all crepey or foundation. But I got some more stuff that came today. I got 2 more Juve Eyes. I don't actually know if it's Juve Eyes or Juve. I don't know, but I got 2 more. You need to do like 3 procedures a month apart, and I got these from Acecosm. So I'm gonna wait another kind of 3 weeks, do my eyes again, and then do another one, obviously a month after that. I did have some left when I injected my eyes, like 1/2 ml, and then I injected my hands. The first time I tried to do it on that day, I put numbing cream on my hands, tried to inject, and just couldn't do it. I couldn't seem to pierce the skin, or I was too nervous to. And then so obviously I washed the numbing cream off, I kept it on for 1/2 hour. And for the rest of the evening, my hands just didn't feel right. And obviously I would know that it could just be because numbing cream on that area, because there's lots of nerves, or too much cream, because obviously I put it on like both my hands. Because if you put kind of numbing cream all over your face and all over your neck and stuff, and you leave it on for ages, it's not a good product. You're only, I mean, it does say on it like how much you're kind of allowed to kind of put on. So I don't know if it was too much on my hands, or it's just because it's the hand. But anyway, the weekend just gone, like a few days ago, because I did that first attempt like the week before. I just injected without numbing, and actually it wasn't even sore, because only just a wee bit. And so that 1/2 ml was just kind of injected around. Can't say I noticed any real difference. I mean, my hands have been kind of soft, but I don't know if that's just because I've been using a new hand cream with urea. It's like 10%, which is meant to be quite good for like dryness and hydration. But anyway, so on the Acecosm order, I got 2 of these in. I also got my PDO threads I'm going to do for my loops in a wee minute. Once I've done this video, I'm going to numb up for 1/2 hour and then chuck these on. So I wasn't too sure size wise. I got the 30G 19 mils, 19 millimeters even, but I don't know if I'm going to use those ones. These are the ones I'm going to use, and it's the 32 12s, no, 31G 12 millimeters, and just go down the body lip, because my top lip, as you can see, is non-existent, and my bottom lip is a bit heavier here. It kind of goes down here a little bit. So I'm going to do the top lip on the bottom, kind of do it, but put a few more on this side to kind of balance it out a wee bit. We'll see. And then this coming weekend, I got a Dr. Pen Microneedle, well, an M8 Microneedling pen, and that was a package. But I'll show you properly when I do a video on Saturday. And it just came with 2 16-pin cartridges. Just get a wee charger in the box, and then a little pen. And then what I'm actually gonna microneedle is this, the BB Glow. Ta-da! You can get this in like a light, a medium, and a dark, and they also have a starter kit, which is kind of 3 different colours. I think they've got a light, a medium, and a dark. They've got 4 in the starter kit. It's like 4 mediums, 3 lights, 3 darks. And because it's like a semi-permanent foundation, having those 3 colours is good if you are a girl, because you can obviously do the medium on your face and then do like the darker shades to like, contour and then, kind of highlight or whatever. But I'm not a girl, I don't want to do that. So I kind of just got the medium one, because I don't want to look kind of porcelain, and also don't want to look like it's too dark, because then it's going to not match the rest of my body. So hopefully that one will be alright. But I mean, it's not just colour it's got in it, it's got like other things. But because I did the threads about a week and a half ago, you're meant to leave between threading and microneedling about 2 to 4 weeks, depending on depth. But when I microneedle this in, I'm not going to go down too deep anyway, so it should be okay, because it'll be 2 weeks. So I mean, potentially I should wait a bit longer, but I'm not going deep and I'm impatient. So I'm going to do that. Oh yeah, the Acecosm also came with free eye mask as usual. And I did actually order 5 things and there's 5 masks, so potentially they put 1 each in. I mean, whether they're any good or not, I don't know. They're still free, so it's quite nice. And then for the microneedling thing, because I got like in future, I mean, I've got some like better looking, and obviously like the Cosrx mucin. But then I also got these actually, not from Glamco, just from Amazon, but they're just like wee pellets. And then you just soak it in like a glass with some serum, and it kind of puffs up like a face mask, like those kind of like towels you get in restaurants. And then I've got some Hada Labo hyaluronic acid lotion, and then I'll kind of mix it with some like the snail mucin and the beta-glucan. Yeah. But then I don't know if that's enough liquid. I don't know if maybe I had to add in some extra water. I don't know, because I don't want to like put in like tons of hyaluronic acid. But plus as well, you don't. Hyaluronic acid is just in everything nowadays. I mean, so you don't really need to add in extra stuff because it's kind of everywhere. So, but the beta-glucan is quite good. I do like that. And the snail mucin. Oh, again, these are quite old. I can't even remember what brand this is. It's Dr. something, but it's just a. Is there any charge in it? It does. So it's just that LED mask, but this is just for the eyes. But then that one, because it's just for the eyes, but then I had got this, but it's ripped ages ago, just from Amazon. Ugh. And it's just like a serial killer mask. But it's got like 7 LEDs, but I just used the red one. And I've just been using it for like 10-20 minutes every day, but only on the weekdays, and only on the red light, just to help kind of repair my skin a wee bit faster after all that trauma of ramming things in my face. So I'm going to go numb up. I'm just going to do half an hour. I'm going to kind of do all under my lip and then top the lip, and then chuck some cling film on top of it, leave it for half an hour, and then crack open the 12 mils, I think, and then get stabbing on my lip, because my lip, as you can see, the top lip is non-existent. What juts out. So just hope. I'm going to have to try and go down, but because I don't have a lip, injecting it's got to be a bit of a pain. I'm going to have to just do it that way, because it's not like, see here, where I can inject it up and kind of do it on the edge. Because this is so pushed down, I'm going to have to like just go horizontal, because I can't go vertical because the lip's so turned under. Poor me. So yep, get numbing, and then I'll make another video where hopefully I'll be able to get the needles in, because it didn't go well last time. I tried with it, but I was doing the 25mm ones though, and I was just trying to go along the vermilion border, and it didn't work. But c'est la vie, so hopefully it works this time. Time will tell. Bye bye.